Welcome to the CellGate Halo guide.
This guide will explain how to enter your property using either an access card, key fob, or Bluetooth access through your mobile device. For card or fob access, simply tap your credential card or fob against the Halo device, and it will unlock.
For Bluetooth access, you'll need to follow a few setup steps first. Start by downloading the CellGate app on your phone. Once installed, log in, then enable the personal key by tapping Proceed. Next, allow CellGate to find, connect to, and determine the relative position of nearby devices. Finally, enable Bluetooth background access and click Allow to stop optimizing battery usage. Once these steps are complete, your phone will be ready for Bluetooth access. To enter the property using Bluetooth, have your phone on your person and wave in front of the device.